Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Lorcutt. So today I'm actually going to be talking about how I became a video editor. And it's really weird for me to say this because I'm still finishing up my college degree right now. I'm a senior. So I'm going to be talking about how I became a video editor. Let's get into the video. To start this video, I just wanted to say not everyone's experience is going to be like this. If it is, great, you can relate to it, but I had a very complicated path. I don't know why, I'm just a complicated person, I guess. So let's start with, I started my college career at a community college and I still didn't know what I wanted to do. I went to community college for 2 years and just wanted to get my basic core requirements also while I could stack up some savings because I wanted to work and be able to afford a place and afford some bills if I moved. Then I decided to move to as an environmental science major. I still love science. I will admit I am a little bit of a nerd, but I also have a very creative aspect to me. So I actually started making YouTube videos 8 years ago and I was just doing it for fun. I would post stupid videos with my friends with doing blind makeovers, singing videos, and then I put them all in private because they're super embarrassing. I started making GoPro videos. I saw Jay Alvarez always post them, My Life as Ava, and I was like, I really want to do that. That looks awesome. I would love to travel and just record the moment and be able to make it into this awesome masterpiece. I've always just been a creative person. I love to paint, I like to sew, I like doing makeup, doing Photoshop, I like doing photography, and then video editing. So I started just making GoPro videos and using iMovie and GoPro Studios just to edit. Those videos are on my other channel, Lauren Orr, and the link will be in the description. So I started recording all of the things that I was doing because I love traveling. I traveled a lot. I'm super thankful for those experiences that I got to experience. Then I went as an environmental science major. I assumed that's what I wanted to do. Everyone around me was going to college. 2 months after, I was like, I hate it here and I don't know what the I'm doing. I don't like what I'm doing. I was still good at school. I still got really good grades. I just knew that it wasn't my passion. I actually went back to community college and started all over again basically and trying to figure out what I wanted to do with my life. I had no idea. I applied to another school for the next semester, not knowing what I was doing, but I just know that I needed to finish my degree because if you didn't go to college, you're frowned upon, which I think is very stupid. Just because you don't go to college or you don't get a degree does not mean that you're not smart. Everyone has their own different abilities and stuff that they want to do. People go to trade school, people go to cosmetology school. I came back home, went to community college, did that for a semester, and decided to go to another university in my junior year. My junior year, I decided that I still wanted to do environmental science. No, I didn't. I kind of myself over. I kept on thinking in my head, what can I do where I could travel, capture the moment, but also do something that I want to do and actually be passionate about it. I kept on changing my major, trying to figure out what I wanted to do, what my passion was, and it was so frustrating. I changed from environmental science, then I changed to psychology, then I changed to anthropology, then sociology, then animal behavior, and that's where I'm at right now. I'm at animal behavior because I love animals and I thought that one day I'd travel all over the place with some animals, but not what I want to do, but I'm getting a degree in it. Beginning of my junior year, I started making videos again. I actually met someone and he told me that I could just do stuff remotely. He doesn't know why I haven't been doing this, and I'm like, oh my gosh, you're so right. So I downloaded Adobe Premiere Pro. I started learning all the ins and outs of that because I first started on GoPro Studios and iMovie. I got the hang of it. I took a couple classes online. It was really good. I learned a lot. I started reaching out to people saying that I could edit videos for free just so I could get some experience and know what it's like to have client work too. Not only editing my own videos, but doing it for other people. I set a schedule for myself that I was going to post every single Thursday, and I've been on top of that. I knew that I could eventually improve my editing every single video that I made. So eventually I got a lot of clients, built up a portfolio, and I put my name out there. I really just talked about what I was doing and I wanted to manifest it, make it mine. It got to the point where I was in school and all I was thinking about was editing. I just didn't care about school anymore, and every time I would go home, wouldn't do homework, would probably BS it, and then go and edit videos until until 2 in the morning because that's what I wanted to do. I really found out that I wanted to do it. I get to travel pretty much anywhere I want and capture the footage and make it into a masterpiece. The place where I'm at right now, I have clients. It's been really, really good to me. I've gotten a lot of good opportunities. I never would have thought that I would have gotten here. I manifested it, 1. 2, I was super determined and made sure I worked on it every single day. I don't think there was ever a day that I didn't video edit, and I still think to this day there isn't a day that I haven't. You can see through my videos how far my editing has come. It has gone a long way, which I'm super thankful about because I put towards the effort and the time to better my skills. As of right now, I am going to be finishing up my degree. After this semester, after I get my degree, I'm going full throttle and making the most of it. I really want to eventually become a travel channel, for sure. I've always gotten a thrill with traveling. I love discovering new things. I love meeting new people. I like experiencing new cultures. Eventually, this channel will become a travel channel, but I just can't do that right now. We're in quarantine. Still getting a bunch of opportunities, and I can't be more grateful for that. If you know that there's a passion in your heart, do it. Just do it. I'm doing a little bit of everything, but I'm still making it work. With determination, time, effort, passion towards the thing that you want, manifest it, make it happen, and you will get it. It will all be worth it in the end. I'm saying it from personal experience, and I honestly never thought I would be where I am today, even getting all these clients and even bettering my skills. That's how I figured out I wanted to be a video editor. I kind of just like going through some shit, feeling super lost as the 20-year-old that I am, just found it out of nowhere, and it came to me at a good time, I would say. So yeah, thank you guys for listening to my story. I really do appreciate it. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and press the subscribe button down below if you want to subscribe to this channel, and also press the bell for the post notifications so you can see every time I post a new video every single Thursday. Leave a comment down below how you knew what you wanted to do with your life. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on Thursday. Bye!